If you want to change theme on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all we need to go to settings. In the settings, go to personalize, and then over here we have themes. So you can go over here, we can choose one of the themes that we have over here, or you can press this plus button in the top right corner in order to create your own theme with your own wallpaper and so on. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. You can also set the name of the theme. I'm just gonna set it as theme. There we go. We're gonna go to font in order to choose the font that you wish to use while using this theme. If you choose color, you can choose the interface color or system color. So let's say I'm gonna choose this purple one. And then we also have the icon shape. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like this. And then we can press save. And there we go, we have our own theme applied. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!